Tired of manually transferring leads from your chatbot to your project management tool? Let's find out if Manychat and Asana can play nice together. Currently, there isn't a direct, native integration between Manychat and Asana. This means you can't simply click a button within Manychat to automatically create a task in Asana. Bummer, I know, but fear not, we can use a powerful tool called Zapier to bridge the gap. Zapier acts as an intermediary, allowing you to connect thousands of apps, including Manychat and Asana. Here's the basic workflow. First, you'll set up a Zap in Zapier. The trigger will be a new lead or user event happening in Manychat, like someone filling out a form or clicking a button. Next, you'll configure the action in Asana. This involves telling Zapier exactly what kind of task to create, including the task name, description, assignee, due date, and which project it should belong to. You can pull data from Manychat to dynamically populate these fields. For instance, you can map the user's name from Manychat to the task name in Asana, and their email address to the task description. This ensures all the relevant lead information is automatically transferred. With this setup, every time a new lead is captured in Manychat, a task will automatically be created in Asana, saving you valuable time and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. So, while it takes a little bit of setup with Zapier, integrating Manychat with Asana is definitely possible and can significantly improve your team's efficiency. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments.